This tutorial will show you how to define the recurring items of your projects in Assistance PSA. In the Project module, navigate to Projects and open the one related to your maintenance contracts. Now go to the Items section. You will find here your project structure as defined in your project template. This is also where you will enter the financial value of your client's contract. Double-click on Maintenance Contract. This is a recurring project item. With this item type, PSA will allow you to create a fixed fee to be invoiced on a recurring basis. In this case, your maintenance contract. And because the box Active is checked, you will also be able to book time towards this item, allowing you to compare your revenue with your costs. In the case of a recurring item, the percentage complete does not influence the billing process. Leave the field as is. The amount field will be automatically updated by PSA as you invoice your maintenance contract. As for the estimated amount, you do not need to enter a budget here. Leave the field blank. Now go to the Recurrence section. These fields are related to CRM products. Leave them blank, as this functionality is covered in an advanced course of Assistance PSA. The next field will define the billing frequency of your item. Enter 1. Your fees are invoiced every month. The start date represents the first billing date. Enter that date, but leave the end date blank. There is no termination date for your maintenance contract. You will notice that once you have entered a start date, PSA has automatically checked this box. You can deactivate this recurrence at any time by unchecking the box. It will stop the item from being invoiced. If you will only invoice this item a specific number of times, you can enter that number in the Occurrence field. This is not the case here. Leave the field blank. Now enter the value of your recurring item. And save your data, but remain in the same screen. You will see that the Contract Value field has been automatically updated by PSA. By default, PSA will calculate the value of 12 months. Close the window. You have now defined the recurring item of your project. Your next step is to go in Assistance PSA and do the corresponding exercise in the step-by-step guide, The Fundamentals.